If you've ever been really triggered by someone saying, you don't have any hobbies, why don't you should have a hobby, that will sort you out. And you know that if you have a hobby, you'll just want to monetize it. And you can't figure out why everybody else isn't monetizing their hobbies. What's wrong with everybody? SMA is your home. It was just like such a breakthrough for me to realize that my brain is not broken because I don't want any hobbies. Yeah, I do things I enjoy, but like I love my business. I really, really love my business. And I think for me, SMA is just a giant permission slip to be who I am in my business and in wherever I am. It's such an eye-opener. It really is such a breakthrough. Also, all the materials, all the support materials about marketing and selling to different archetypes is amazing, because I was attracting pretty much 100% alchemists in my business, which is great. Absolutely loved it. But realizing why I wasn't attracting other types of people, and I love having a real mixture of different archetypes in my business. The other thing was, as I've grown my team over the last couple of years, it has been such a breakthrough understanding the archetypes of my team members and what I need in my team members. I mean, a lot of people say like team members make sure they go off and do, Myers-Briggs or disc profiling, something like, no, get their money archetypes. That is what is, for me, has been the main needle mover in growing an effective team in my business and knowing who I want to work alongside. So they are the main things. But I'm just like, if you want to feel really at home somewhere and really understand the way that your mind works in your business, SMA is just complete gold.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.